cutting for speed with your Klever XChange 35 safety cutter. The Klever XChange 35 allows you to keep the handle and simply replace the head. It features an industrial tape splitter, a label scraper, a box cutter guide, and a multi-purpose concealed blade. K-tips for cutting film. Cut from bottom to top. Do not cut from top to bottom. K-tips for cutting plastic banding. Cut downward at 45 degrees. Do not cut at 90 degrees. Do not twist, lift, or tug. Do not use on metal banding. K-tips for cutting tape. Use the industrial tape splitter, not the blade. Do not stab. Do not pry. Do not use on duct tape. K-tips for cutting boxes. Use the box cutter guide to correctly angle the XChange on single wall. Then pull steadily away from your body. Use the box cutter guide to correctly angle the XChange on double wall. Then pull steadily away from your body. Do not use on triple wall, corrugate or gaillards. K-tips for using the label scraper. Hold the label scraper at 45 degrees. The Klever XChange 35 for all your cutting needs.